A planner under ₹1000? Impossible, right? But I found one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea, and in today's video I will be talking to you about a planner that I found on your favorite app Amazon. And trust me, this one is below 600 rupees. Can you even imagine? I mean, I was so surprised when I saw the price and the product. You will see it and you'll be shocked to know that इतना सब कुछ इतने सस्ते में. So if you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I will be showing you a flip through of the planner that I'll be talking about now. But first, let me give you a preview. So this is how the planner came in. Yeah, you can keep the planner in this and carry it anywhere you want. And this is the diva of the video. This is the planner. Like, look at it, look at my face and look at the size of the planner. It's a huge planner, guys. It's so sturdy. Look how thick it is, and I'm going to be talking to you about all the details of this planner. The link to the planner is in the description box, so you can use that link. And it's not a sponsored video. I'll get nothing out of the link, but just in case you want it. And now this planner is by the brand ZASLAN, and it is called the Stay Magical Undated Planner. Now this is a 12-month planner. Again, I repeat, it's a 12-month planner. It's an undated planner, and it has 232 pages. Now let me reveal you the price of the planner. I think you all are excited. It is for just ₹549. The actual price of the planner is 1,399, but it's on a discounted rate on Amazon right now, and you can get it for just ₹549. Isn't that a great deal? Now coming back to the features of the planner. Now if you're thinking कि इतने सस्ते में पक्का इसमें कुछ भी नहीं होगा, it has everything. Trust me when I say that. It has all the monthly planner spreads, it has the daily planner spreads, it has find your ikigai page, it has gratitude jar, it has your expense tracker, income tracker, it has your meal tracker, habit tracker, and all the possible trackers. But when you see the flip through, you will know what all is there in the planner. But trust me, the best planner I found on earth. I mean, for this price, I'm super amazed. Coming to the quick features of the planner, the pages are 100 GSM. The weight of the planner is about 0.72 kgs, which is really lightweight. It is a hardbound planner, very sturdy. It has a red ribbon bookmark in it. It does not come with any freebies, but I think for the price you don't even need some freebies, and it does not come with stickers as well, so you might have to buy stickers separately if you love using stickers in your planner. I'm not a person who loves to use a sticker, so I didn't bother much. But yeah, in case you need stickers, you'll have to purchase them separately because it doesn't come with a planner at all. Also, if you've checked my last video on how to choose a planner for 2023, you might have noticed I had emphasized on why you must buy an undated planner, and this is the video you need to watch till the end for that. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys loved this planner. I know I found a gem for you from Amazon. I was just scrolling through Amazon. Trust me, I was in no mood to buy a planner, but I found it and I thought I need it. I mean, chala gaya to. So you don't wait, go purchase it right now, and I'll keep bringing you such fantastic videos and Amazon finds, and I'll see you in my next video. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.